What's up everybody, it's Yusuf, and welcome back to Investax. Now 2025 is already shaping up to be a year where AI tools have gone from nice to have to can't live without. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just starting to explore what AI can do, today's video is all about giving you the inside track on the simple, yet insanely powerful AI features you should be using right now. We're talking about the kind of tools that can transform the way you work, boost your creativity, and honestly, just make life a whole lot easier. From generating stunning visuals to crafting compelling content and staying on top of your projects like a pro, these AI features are about to change the game for you. So, if you're ready to unlock a new level of productivity and efficiency, buckle up, because we're diving into the top 5 AI features you absolutely need to know in 2025. Let's go! First up, let's talk about ChatGPT, arguably one of the most talked about AI tools out there, and for good reason. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is like having an AI assistant on speed dial, ready to help you with everything from crafting engaging social media posts and writing emails to brainstorming creative content ideas, and even generating code in different programming languages. Imagine having writer's block, and instead of staring at a blank page for hours, you can feed ChatGPT a few keywords or a brief outline and bam! It generates multiple drafts of your article, blog post, or even a script for your next YouTube video. And the best part? It's constantly learning and improving its responses based on the massive amounts of data it's trained on, but it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can also be a game changer for customer support. Think about automating responses to common queries, providing 24/7 assistance to your customers, or even personalizing interactions based on customer data. It's like having a whole support team working tirelessly behind the scenes, freeing you up to focus on other aspects of your business. Next, we're jumping into the world of design with Canva AI. Now, even if you don't have a graphic design bone in your body, Canva AI is here to make you look like a creative genius. We've all been there, spending hours trying to create the perfect social media graphic or presentation only to end up with something that looks like it was made in MS Paint. Canva AI takes all that frustration away. Need a logo design? Canva AI will whip up several options based on your preferences. Want to create a cohesive Instagram feed? It'll suggest color palettes and font pairings that align with your brand aesthetic. And if you're short on time, their Magic Resize tool can instantly adapt your design for different platforms, so no more tedious resizing. But here's where Canva AI truly shines. It's all about making design accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned designer looking for a faster workflow, or a complete beginner just starting out, Canva AI provides the tools and inspiration to bring your creative vision to life, effortlessly. Chapter 3. InVideo AI-powered video editing made easy. Okay, let's face it, video is king when it comes to content, but editing those videos, that's where things can get tricky. Or at least, they used to be. InVideo is an AI-powered video editing platform that's changing the game by making professional-looking videos achievable for anyone, regardless of their editing experience. We're talking about features like AI-powered text-to-video, which lets you transform scripts or blog posts into engaging videos in minutes. Need to add background music? InVideo has a library of royalty-free tracks, or you can even use AI to generate custom music that fits the mood of your video perfectly. And if you're struggling to find the right visuals, their AI-powered stock footage integration has got you covered. But here's the kicker. InVideo's AI goes beyond just basic editing. Think about features like automated video transcription, which is a lifesaver for accessibility and SEO, or their AI-powered video enhancement tools that can automatically adjust lighting, stabilize shaky footage, and even upscale your videos to 4K resolution. Chapter 4. Google Gemini. The future of search and beyond. Now we can't talk about AI without mentioning Google, and their latest foray into the AI arena comes in the form of Google Gemini. Gemini is designed to be more than just a search engine. It's your AI-powered research assistant, capable of understanding and responding to complex queries in a way that feels incredibly human-like. Imagine being able to ask Gemini to find me the best articles on sustainable investing for beginners, and instead of just getting a list of links, it provides you with a curated summary of the key takeaways from those articles, highlighting the most relevant information for your needs. It's like having your own research team condensing hours of reading into a few digestible paragraphs. But Google Gemini's ambitions go beyond just improving search. We're talking about personalized recommendations tailored to your interests, AI-powered language translation that goes beyond literal meaning to capture cultural nuances, and even the potential for AI-assisted creative writing and brainstorming. It's still early days, but Google Gemini has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with information online. Chapter 5. Notion, AI, your secret weapon for project management and productivity. Finally, let's talk about an AI tool that's been a game changer for me personally, Notion AI. If you're not familiar with Notion, it's like the Swiss Army knife of productivity apps, allowing you to create notes, databases, wikis, and pretty much anything else you can think of, all in one centralized workspace. And with Notion AI, it's like having a productivity coach built right in. Think about features like AI-powered meeting notes, where Notion AI can automatically transcribe your meetings, identify key action items, and even summarize the key discussion points. Or how about AI-assisted writing, where Notion AI can help you generate ideas, improve your writing style, and even translate your notes into different languages. But perhaps the most powerful aspect of Notion AI is its ability to streamline your workflow and boost your overall productivity. From suggesting relevant content, to automating repetitive tasks, and even helping you prioritize your to-do list. Notion AI is like having a personal assistant dedicated to helping you stay organized and on top of your game. Outro: level up your life with AI. So, there you have it, the top 5 simple but incredibly powerful AI features you need to know in 2025. From boosting your creativity and automating tedious tasks, to enhancing your communication and streamlining your workflow, these AI tools are designed to make your life easier and more productive. And the best part is, this is just the tip of the iceberg. As AI continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, we can expect to see even more innovative and game-changing applications emerge in the near future. So, if you're not already incorporating AI into your daily life, now's the time to jump in and start exploring. Thanks for watching. If you found these AI features helpful, make sure to subscribe to Investax for more tips on AI and money management. See you in the next video.